So this week I went to two AI trainings this week, and I put the information that I learned inside of the Ultimate AI Toolkit. If you haven't gotten your hands on the Ultimate AI Toolkit, now is the perfect time to get my toolkit. What makes my toolkit different than what you may see on the market or online or in your newsfeed today is that my toolkit is not just giving you prompts. It's giving you actual real examples of how to take AI and put the right prompts in so you get the right information out. So inside of the toolkit already, I've given you examples on how you can create 10 days of content in 5 minutes or less, how you can create ad copy. And it doesn't have to be ad copy for you to actually post an ad. It can be copy that you put on your social post to promote something you've got going on, like me in this Ultimate AI Toolkit. I've given you examples of how you can create surveys and video scripts using AI. AI is so cool that you can create a video script and get image suggestions. So if you don't like being on camera, guess what? You don't have to be on camera. I've showed you how you can take prompts from AI and put them into Canva and create some amazing images. And then I showed you email marketing. So all of this I've talked about before, but I just wanted you to know that I put everything I could inside of my course, the Ultimate AI Toolkit, to make sure you have everything you need to effectively use AI in your business. So what did I get from the training that I took this week? You know, I'm always jumping in somebody else's training because I want to see what is happening out here in this online space so I can bring it back to you. But number two, I want to see what everybody else is charging for these services. So one of the trainings that I was on, there was no charge to get AI. They gave you tools and resources on how you can get AI for free. Let me tell you, you get what you pay for. And if you pay nothing, you're going to get close to nothing. One of the things that I hear constantly about people who have the free Chat GPT is how slow it is, right? So again, you get what you pay for. And if you don't pay, you don't get much. And then I was on another call about Chat GPT, and they've got this whole program where they integrate Chat GPT into it. And I'm not going to say the cost of the program. I will just say it is 5 figures. And then they put Chat GPT in as like an extra thing that they're offering. But the Chat GPT is not going to 10x your business just based on having what they have to offer. So what will 10x your business is knowing how to use Chat GPT and what to say to Chat GPT to get the right output. So the new things that I learned that I have added to the Ultimate AI Toolkit are, number one, how to do market research. We all know how critical it is for us to understand our ideal client, customer, business partner. So instead of you going out there and fishing around on different websites to see what people are searching and looking for, instead of you checking out Amazon, seeing what things people are searching and looking for, just type it into AI. But you got to type it in a way to where AI actually gives you the results you need to understand your target audience. The next thing that I've added to the Ultimate AI Toolkit is customer characteristic prompts. So you will be able to prompts into AI to understand the ideal clients' wants, needs, hopes, dreams, desires, fears, all of that. You can get it in AI if you know what to say in AI to get that information. And the last thing that I've added to AI for now, the last thing that I've added to AI for now is the mock sales call prompts, right? It can be for a sales call or it can be to set an appointment. But what is the hardest thing about having sales calls? It's knowing how to overcome and handle objections. And I don't care how many cheat sheets you get on how to handle objections and what to say. When you're on the call and you're having the conversation, sometimes you get a little nervous and you get the butterflies in your stomach because it's coming at you in real life, in real time, and you just can't scroll through fast enough on your selected objections form to figure out exactly what to say. However, with Chat GPT and the prompts that I'm giving you that I've added to the Ultimate AI Toolkit, you can actually have a mock conversation inside of AI. Again, it's what you tell AI that's going to give you the results. So you can actually have a conversation in AI where AI will spit out objections to you. AI will act as a person that you tell it to have this conversation. So then you can handle objections in a way that's genuine and authentic, and you're not trying to read it from your screen. So these are just a few of the things that I've added to AI on top of what was already in there. So what makes the Ultimate AI Toolkit better, in my opinion, is because I'm giving you video tutorials, right? It's not just a spreadsheet with 10,000 prompts listed on. I'm actually showing you in real time how I'm talking to ChatGPT, how I'm getting ChatGPT's feedback, and how I am having basically a real conversation with someone, not even someone. I feel like ChatGPT is a person. I guess I'm going to have to give it a name at some point. We'll call it Alex for now. So I'm having a conversation with Alex, my AI bot, that is actually showing me how to show you how to effectively use AI. One of the reasons why people get frustrated with AI is because they try to treat it like Google, right? You put in there, tell me the top 5 restaurants near me. That's not going to give you the results you want in AI, right? Tell me what people are looking for with network marketing. Yeah, that'll get you close, but that's not going to get you where you want to go. Give me content for network marketers that are interested in health and wellness. Again, it'll get you close, but it's not going to get you all the way there. If you want to get all the way to the finish line, then you need to get your hands on the Ultimate AI Toolkit. Again, I've added more goodies to the toolkit that weren't there before, so you have everything you need. And the good thing about the Ultimate AI Toolkit is whenever I learn something new, I'm going to share with you, and I'm not going to charge you any more for the additional information. So the Ultimate AI Toolkit will be your one-stop shop for all things AI, with the AI prompts, with the AI videos, and with real life examples of how AI is working in real time. So if you want to get your hands on the Ultimate AI Toolkit, I believe I have attached it to this video. If I haven't, I'm about to do it right now. It'll be in the top comment into the top of this video. Just click on it. It'll take you over to the Ultimate AI Toolkit. I am having a Memorial Day sale, because after Memorial Day, the price is going to go up because I threw some more good stuff in here that you are going to benefit from. So let me go ahead and get this added and put it to the top comment. There we go. And then it's pinned. And it is the top comment. Again, it's the Ultimate AI Toolkit, which is your one-stop shop for all things AI. It not only has prompts, but it has video tutorials. And as a bonus, I give you the AI chatbot training. People are still using messenger bots. You probably might have interacted with some of my bots out there, but bots are still very alive and very active online. And you get my bonus AI chatbot training as part of the Ultimate AI Toolkit. So as I always do with any of my courses, I put everything in the kitchen sink inside of the Ultimate AI Toolkit. And it is going to give you everything you need to successfully use AI, build your brand and your business online. So go ahead and just click the link in the top comments to get your hands on it, because the price will go up after the Memorial Day weekend. As always, thank you for your time. Have a safe and happy Memorial Day. If you are grilling out, put an extra burger or hot dog on the grill for me, and enjoy the official start of summer. I am Cecelia, the Digital Marketing Maven.